In the quiet of the night, a divine voice echoed in Abram's heart. "Do not be afraid, Abram. I am your shield, your very great reward." But Abram had a heavy question. "Lord God, what can you give me, since I remain childless? You've given me no heir. Everything I have will go to my servant Eliezer." Then God spoke again with power and clarity. "This man will not be your heir. You will have a son, your own flesh and blood." God took Abram outside and said, "Look up at the sky. Count the stars, if you can. So shall your descendants be." And Abram believed the Lord, and God counted it to him as righteousness. Then the Lord reminded Abram, "I am the Lord who brought you out of Ur, to give you this land to possess." Still, Abram asked, "Lord God, how can I know that I will inherit it?" God gave him a sign. Abram brought animals as God instructed: a heifer, a goat, a ram, a dove, and a young pigeon. He laid them out. As the sun set, Abram fell into a deep sleep, and a dark, dreadful fear came over him. Then God spoke, "Know this, Abram, your descendants will be strangers in a land not their own. They will be enslaved and mistreated for 400 years, but I will punish the nation they serve, and afterward they will come out with great possessions. You, Abram, will go to your ancestors in peace. You will be buried at a good old age." As darkness fell, a smoking fire pot and a blazing torch appeared and passed between the animal pieces. On that day the Lord made a covenant with Abram. "To your descendants I give this land, from the river of Egypt to the great river, the Euphrates.